All right, welcome back, everyone. Today we have another San Antonio luxury home tour. My name is Adrian with Keller Williams City View, and with me is my fiance, Mary Martinez.
Hello.
And today we are going to be looking at the Palomar plan from David Weekley. Now, this is in Davis Ranch, and it's going to be on the 60-foot wide lots. Um, Last week we reviewed the Blue Bonnet from Davis Ranch, which is on 50-foot wide lots. This one is the Palomar on the 60-foot wide. A quick summary of what we're going to unpack in this home tour is the office right at the entrance of the home. So right from the office, we have a half bathroom. We've got a foyer with a mud room, and this utility room is, if you saw the last video, this utility room noticeably bigger with its own counter space as well and cabinets. We're going to look at the huge, roaring height of ceiling height in the family room here. It's just very nice and pretty open concept, connecting with the kitchen and the dining. Tucked just in between the family room and the stairway, we have the master bedroom, which is, again, if you saw the last video from David Weekley, this bedroom is going to be a lot bigger. Master bathroom, the owner's retreat, basically. This is going to be a neat one that we're going to be looking at. And upstairs, we are going to be looking at the remaining three bedrooms, two of which connect via a Jack and Jill bathroom. And so that's what we're going to be looking at today. Now, let's get started with this tour with my co-host, Mary Martinez, who is taking a huge yawn right now. Okay. All right. So, walking in, we have the office slash study area, which, yeah, again, we talked about this on the last David Weekley home, the Blue Bonnet. It is an open office, not it doesn't have French doors or anything. I think those can be added in, but yeah, what do you think, Mary?
Yeah, again, I think the size is really nice. The windows are really nice. I like that it leaves the opportunity for having an entryway slash living room area for guests. I'm personally more of I need a quiet space for my office. So you could always pick another room, if you want a closed room.
We've got the powder room, half bath, and a foyer as well, with the mud room coming from the garage where it says team members only. This utility room is a lot bigger. It has its own counter, cabinets, which appear to be 42-inch cabinets with crown molding. And yeah, just very nice utility room. And now for the main course, which I even had to do a pullback here, kind of like a slingshot into the family room, which just looks amazing. I mean, I think this is one of my favorite. I think this is one of my favorite family room designs. Just how tall the ceilings are here, and yes, these ceilings are 20 feet tall. So
Yeah, I like the tall ceilings, the windows in the second floor, the kitchen again, really nice size. The island is huge. I like that this one has a really nice dining table area as well. I don't remember if the other one did. But yeah, very nice kitchen and living room area, and yeah, definitely a fan of the high ceilings with the large windows that just bring in a lot of light.
and as far as the kitchen goes, it comes with General Electric stainless steel appliances, and those are 42-inch cabinets as well with the crown molding. granite countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, and of course the backsplash you do have a couple of choices that you can choose from. Um, and that faucet is a Moen stainless steel pull out faucet, and it's also got a water filtration system in the sink, and yeah, I love that row of windows by the dining area.
I was gonna say, like, I think the nice thing of having the dining area next to the kitchen is that you get those two windows that were on the side. Because usually when it's like a dining room, I don't think there's typically any windows, or I'm not sure. It usually feels more enclosed.
Yeah,
Um,
it's very nice. Going on to the master bedroom.
yep, definitely nice size master bedroom.
Yeah, and there is an option to make those windows on the owner's retreat bay windows, I believe.
Nice
Yeah,
to have
so
like a little nook area.
yep. hmm And again, now I think we're back to the 10-foot ceilings here. And now the owner's bath. This is an amazing layout for a bathroom. Just from all the homes that I've seen, I think this is definitely one of the top layouts for a bathroom that I've seen. Um, and it's coming from David Weekley, so that's saying something because we've seen a lot of bathroom layouts. What do you think of this one, Mary?
I think I love the walk-in shower. Like, it's huge. It's very nice, very spacious. I personally don't care much for bathtubs, which this one obviously doesn't have. But I think I don't want to say most people do, but I think a lot of people like bathtubs. So I guess it really depends on what you want. Like, do you want to trade off having a small shower and a bathtub, or a really nice walk-in shower and no bathtub? I would personally go for the walk-in shower, but it's a trade-off that people have to consider.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, I really like it. I really like that bathroom.
I
So
think it's missing some windows.
the bathroom?
Yeah. I don't think it had any windows.
No, it didn't have any windows. Yeah,
Mm.
window. Yeah, you know what that is? That is actually a very good. What's it called?
Point?
Point.
I don't
No, but
know.
like
Observation?
observation. Yeah,
Uh,
that was a very good observation. No windows, and I love having windows. So
mm-hmm.
yeah, it's one thing that bathroom didn't have. A little loft area.
Yeah, this almost feels like a room without a door. I feel like you could
Mm-hmm.
definitely make it into a room if you wanted to.
Or an office.
Or an office space. Yeah, this would be perfect for a really big, like, office space or media room. And the bedrooms are really good size too, because I know sometimes. How many bedrooms is this? 4?
4. Yeah, so there's 3 extra bedrooms.
Yeah, I think sometimes, when you go above the 3 standard bedrooms, sometimes the bedrooms can be a little small,
Mm.
but these are definitely a really good size.
Yeah. Yeah, and this plan can be between 2,800 and 3,000 square feet.
Mm.
So a lot of space.
I like the geometry of this bedroom. It's not like just a square, it had the little angle on
Mm.
that corner.
Mm-hmm.
It looked very nice.
Yeah.
And I'm a fan of Jack and Jill bathrooms for kids, I think. I grew up having some friends that had a Jack and Jill bathroom, and I thought it was the craziest thing. Like, it felt like a labyrinth that you would walk through and like a secret passage. So I think it's definitely something I would like to have for my kids in the future, just because, I don't know, I feel like it feels cool to have those.
Yeah. Yeah, and these windows are, the super Energy Star efficient, and this third bedroom, or I guess technically the fourth and last bedroom, does feel a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, that's why they put two beds there.
Mm-hmm.
Because you'd fit two kids in there for
Yep.
sure.
For the twins.
Yep.
And then, of course, the third full bathroom with the little raccoon steering. And yeah, so that really just sums up most of the house again. And going into the back patio now, this is just, again, it just adds to the grandness of this Palomar floor plan. It's got a lot of space to make a nice covered back patio. Okay, so thanks for watching. Also, I just wanted to share Davis Ranch again. This was the 60-foot wide lots where the Palomar can be built that we reviewed today. Last week we reviewed the 50-foot wide lots, and you can see the price difference here. These start from $611,000. The one that we reviewed last week on the 50-foot wide lots start from $477,000. And just to give you a quick idea of the available move-ins, like the Palomar, there is a Palomar under construction. It's the only Palomar plan under construction, and it's going for $655,000 with the 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. But just to give you an idea of what the lowest price point looks like in this community, we have the Fairlane, which is being sold for $611,000, 2249 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So again, if you'd like to review the Blue Bonnet, go ahead and click on our last video. Again, thanks for watching.